Here's how your small engine works. This is your muffler, this is your cylinder, this is your spark plug, which will be attached to a wire which is attached to your coil pack. Right around here is your piston ring. This is your piston. This is going to be your bearing. This is an oil seal right here. This down here is your crank. Some call this the crankcase. This is a carburetor spacer. This right here is your carburetor. And here's how this runs. You start this thing up, gas and air fill in here. It gets to the top. This is timed to fire right when this gets to the top. Boom, it fires. It starts to come down. So now there is spent gas and air in here. It's been combusted. As soon as this piston gets past this port right here, the spent fuel and air comes shooting out of here almost at the same time, but just a little bit behind this. There's a transfer port right back here. You can see that hole back here. That is drawing up air and fuel from the bottom down here into the compression chamber. Goes back up again. Boom. Air and fuel is also being drawn into here from this port down here during this entire process. So the air and the gas is sitting down here. The exhaust comes shooting out. Air and the gas fills in, compresses, bang, and just keeps doing that over and over and over again, thousands of times per minute.